All right, top of the morning, good people. It is day 11. Okay, yes, day 11 on this path to 100,000. You know what I mean? And first stop is in Alexandria. And before we get going for the day, you already know what we got on deck. Oh, this way. Ow! I keep telling y'all, it's the small things, baby. Small things. Get going. All right, man, we after it today. What y'all gonna do? I mean, by this time, we got to have like a business card, some sort of business ideas flowing, right? We got to have the ideas flowing, baby. We flowing. All right, real quick. If you at your current job, right? Because ain't nothing wrong with that. Last time I checked, money green, no matter where you get it from, it all spent quite the same. But I digress. If you at your current job and you're trying to figure out, you know, your next steps to being self-sufficient, your entrepreneurial journey, look, YouTube and all that stuff is a great resource, right? To listen to people's testimonials and all that. But where you currently work has a ton of information for you. This is especially if you're retail. Retail. I'll give you a quick example. McDonald's, right? Let's say you work at McDonald's. The irony there is that a lot of people think McDonald's is in the food business. No. McDonald's is in the real estate business. Just think about it. They're placed everywhere, on every block, every corner. And as I head over this Woodrow Wilson Bridge, I would like to say rest in peace to Mr. Jimmy Carter, President Jimmy Carter. Okay, last rant. Say, last rant. Like, why do you think Starbucks coffee so bad? They selling you a lifestyle. They're not selling you coffee for real. Anyway, I'm done. We in Alexandria. Look, we on the bridge. Woodrow Wilson Bridge, baby. Let's go. All right, y'all, we pulling up to Fort Belvoir, Virginia now. Cool fact. Did you know that this is the Fort Belvoir houses like the world's largest army war painting, like war painting stuff. So like Hitler used to do watercolors or whatever. They have the original pieces there. Cool stuff like that you have in your and just right in your backyard. I think Norman Rockwell or Rockford, what's his name? Norman Rockwell. His oil paintings sitting right up over here. Right up over there. All right, good people, we have arrived. We only got one here to do, so we're gonna knock this one out, and then we're gonna get on to the next. Let's go get this shmoney. Boom. All right, real quick, so we got TV here, going here, high in the wire. Let's do it. What's going on here? Okay, looks like we got power. That's good. There we go. Boom. Boom. Okay, people, quick recap. Our goal for the day was 325. We just did 300. So we are on the way. That right there puts us at, I think that puts us at about 78% to target for the day. All right, we headed to the next. Don't do the math. All right, next stop, White House. No, I'm joking. We headed southeast, but we're going on for Pennsylvania Avenue. So I'll see you soon.